Okay, so just going to show you a quick example of a form that's been customized in Apex for my own use. This invokes a script to develop a Hello World example. So if you look in the custom toolbar, I've got Evotech utilities set in there. This demo tool is called Hello World 3D, and all we do here is type in a word or words and hit the green tick, and you'll see what happens. So the script's running in the background, invoked from the form, and it basically generates the string that you've input and runs through the solution and goes into post-processing, and you've got a full 3D model of your input string. Okay, really simple example, but demonstrating how effective the Python automation can be. So I'm just going to exit out of post-processing, go back into the model definition. Let me see. I'm going to delete that model, run the script again. Something else. Okay, hit the green button. Runs through again, so it's generating the geometry and doing some Apex magic in the background and running through the solution to give us a normal modes for this text. Okay, there we go, simple as that. I hope you found this interesting. If you'd like to develop your Apex usage, head over to our site where you'll find many online learning opportunities.